In the world of tech, the options are endless. But how do you choose the best product for your needs? That's what we're here for. Today, we are embarking on an epic journey, a battle of titans, if you will. We are comparing some of the most coveted products, software, and technologies that are currently dominating the market. From smartphones and laptops to software ecosystems, we are pitting them against each other, scrutinizing every aspect to help you make an informed decision. These are not just products. They are powerhouses of innovation, each boasting unique features, design brilliance, and performance prowess. This comparison is not for the faint-hearted. It's for those who appreciate the finer details, who understand that the devil is in the details. It's for those who don't just want a product, they want an experience, a lifestyle. So buckle up and prepare for a deep dive into the world of tech. Now, let's delve deeper into the design and build quality of these products. A product's design and build quality are the first things that catch our eyes. Let's see how our contenders fare. The first product boasts a sleek modern design that exudes sophistication. Its sturdy build, crafted from high-quality materials, promises durability. The unique design elements, such as the smooth finish and the tactile buttons, add a touch of elegance. The ergonomic considerations have not been overlooked, with the product offering a comfortable grip and easy accessibility. Moving on to the second product, it strikes a balance between classic and contemporary aesthetics. The build quality is robust, using premium materials that ensure longevity. It stands out with its distinctive design elements like the textured back and the well-placed controls. The product's ergonomic design fits perfectly in hand, offering an effortless user experience. Now that we've seen the exterior, it's time to dive into their technical specifications. Technical specifications give us an insight into what's under the hood. Let's compare the specs of our contenders. First off, let's talk processors. One boasts an 8-core CPU, while the other sports a 12-core powerhouse. That's a lot of processing muscle, but how does it translate into RAM? Well, one packs a whopping 16 gigabytes, while the other comes in with a solid 8 gigabytes. Storage-wise, we're looking at options ranging from 256 gigabytes to a staggering 2 terabytes, depending on your needs and budget. Moving on to screen size, one offers a dazzling 6.7-inch display, while the other comes in slightly smaller at 6.1 inches. But don't let size fool you. Both offer top-tier resolutions, with one pushing the envelope with a 4,000-pixel-wide display. The specs are impressive, but how do they perform in real-world scenarios? Let's find out. Specifications on paper are one thing, but real-world performance is another. Let's see how these products perform. We've run each product through a series of benchmark tests, and the results are quite interesting. Although both products boast top-tier processors and ample RAM, one consistently outperforms the other in high-demand tasks. But what about everyday scenarios? When it comes to browsing, streaming, and multitasking, both products perform admirably. However, one product truly shines during intense gaming sessions, providing a smoother and more immersive experience. Now let's talk about standout features. One product offers a unique biometric security feature that is not only innovative but also adds an extra layer of protection. On the other hand, the other product boasts an advanced AI assistant, making it a breeze to stay organized and on top of your day. Impressive performance, but what about the software and ecosystem? The software experience and battery life can make or break a product. Let's see how our contenders stack up. First off, the operating system. It's the heart and soul of any device, dictating your interaction with its features and capabilities. One contender might offer a clean, intuitive interface, while the other may provide a more customizable experience. Next, let's delve into the software experience. This can be a game changer. How quick are the apps to load? How seamless is the transition between tasks? Is there a noticeable lag, or is it smooth sailing? The app ecosystem is another crucial aspect. A wider variety of apps means more functionality at your fingertips. But remember, quality trumps quantity. Integration with other devices is a significant factor, especially for those invested in a particular tech ecosystem. And the true test of endurance, the battery life. Does it last a full day of heavy use, or does it leave you scrambling for a charger by noon? Now let's talk about the deciding factor for many, the price. Value for money is a crucial factor when choosing a product. Let's compare the prices of our contenders. When it comes to price, the range can vary significantly based on the model, specifications, and even the region. For our first contender, the price is set at a premium level, reflecting its top-tier specs and robust features. On the other hand, our second contender offers a more budget-friendly price tag. making it an attractive proposition for those who are cost-conscious. However, price alone isn't the only factor to consider. It's equally important to assess the value proposition of each product. With its high-end specs and unique features, the first contender presents a compelling value for those seeking a top-notch experience despite its higher cost. The second contender, while less expensive, provides a solid performance and a good range of features, making it a fantastic value for its price. Now, let's wrap things up with our final thoughts. After comparing all the aspects, it's time for our final verdict. Both gadgets have their strengths and weaknesses. The first product, with its superior design and build quality, offers a robust and premium feel. However, it falls short in terms of battery life. The second product, on the other hand, stands out with its exceptional performance and feature set, but its higher price tag may be a deterrent for some. In terms of software and ecosystem, both products offer a seamless user experience with their respective operating systems. Each has a unique set of features that cater to different user preferences. Our recommendation? If you're looking for a premium feel and don't mind a bit of battery life compromise, go for the first product. If performance and features are your top priority and you're willing to shell out a bit more, the second product is your best bet. That's it for our comparison. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share your thoughts in the comments. Stay tuned to Tech Chronicles for more tech insights.